Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your affiliate links with Walmart, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to optimize your affiliate links with Walmart is essential for increasing your earning potential. First, sign up for the Walmart affiliate program if you haven't already. Once you have your account set up, log in to the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout and available tools. Next, browse Walmart's extensive product catalog to find items that align with your niche. Select products that not only interest your audience but also offer competitive commission rates. Look for seasonal or trending products to boost interest and conversions. Once you've chosen your products, generate your unique affiliate links through the dashboard. Make sure to use Walmart's link shortener to create clean, shareable URLs. To further enhance your links, consider adding parameters for tracking performance. Use descriptive anchor text when embedding links in your content. This will help improve your search engine optimization and user experience. Next, promote your links across various platforms like blogs, social media, and email newsletters. Creating content around these products can help drive traffic to your links. Consider writing in-depth reviews, how-tos, or comparison articles to provide value. Visually appealing content, such as videos or infographics, can also increase engagement. Monitor your affiliate link performance using the analytics tools provided in the dashboard. Identify which products and strategies yield the best conversion rates. Continuously tweak your approach based on this data. Incorporating these offers can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Remember to test different types of calls to action to see what resonates with your audience. Building trust with your audience will encourage them to click on your links. As you refine your strategy, share your findings to help others in the affiliate space. Always comply with legal requirements and disclose your affiliate relationships. This transparency builds credibility and trust with your audience. Keep experimenting with different products and promotional methods to find your sweet spot. With these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your affiliate links with Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.